Boom. Even I used to hate simultaneous equations until I found this easy method. Yes, let me show you. So first you have to understand what's the purpose of doing simultaneous equations. It's you are trying to find the value of x and then the value of y. That's the purpose, okay? In order to do that, you have to either make this and this the same or this and this the same. So you can take it away until you're only left with either y or you're left with x, okay? So let's do that. So I'm going to choose to make these two the same. If I want to make these two the same, I'm going to multiply everything here by this number. And I'm going to multiply everything here by which number, guys? By this number there. Okay, so let's do that. So we multiply everything here by what? 4 times this by 4 times this by 4. Then we multiply everything here by what, guys? 5. Good. Multiply by 5 times by 5 times by 5. Good. So what's that going to give us? 20x plus 8y is going to give us 11 times 4 is 44. Yes. Good. Now what's this? 4 times 5 is 20. So that's 20x plus 15y is going to give us 6 times 5, which is 30. Good. Now look, we've made them the same, right? Now, what I can do is I can subtract it to get rid of all of the x's, then we're just left with y's, right? But don't fall for the trap that every time you have to subtract. You don't. Sometimes you add, sometimes you subtract to get rid of it. I'll explain here. If the signs, right, is the same, you subtract. In this case, look, what I mean by the sign is positive or negative. So you see this is positive, even though it's invisible, obviously. Positive, positive, right? So we're going to subtract, boom, then we can get the 0. Now look, if the signs are different, what do you think we do? Come on, guys. Add. Well done. Good. You understand? So in this case, obviously, signs are the same, so we subtract, boom, go like that. Boom. So this take away that is gone. We're left with nothing, right? Sorry. You see this subtraction doesn't only go for this, by the way. It goes for everything here, okay? So you see how you did 20x, take away that. You're going to do this, take away this, and this, take away this, yeah? So let's do that. 8y, take away 15y, which is minus, right? Minus 7y. Good. 44, take away 30, which is 14. Now look, we're only left with y. We got rid of the x, right? Good. So what's that? Minus 7y equals 14. Y is going to give us, we move the minus 7 to this side. So this is minus 7 times y. If I want to move it to this side, we're going to divide. So that's going to be 14 divided by minus 7. Y is going to give us minus 2. You understand? Let me put the minus 7 here properly. Good. Now, the next step is, you see you've got the value for y. You can grab either the top equation or the bottom equation to find out what x is. Yes? So let's grab the top equation and rewrite it here. 5x plus 2y gives us 11. Good. Here I wrote down 2y, right? But guess what? We've got a value for y, which is minus 2. I substitute that in right there. So 5x plus 2 bracket minus 2. In the bracket goes where the y used to be. That value is going to drop in. Boom. And 11. So you see, this means 2y means 2 times y, right? We do the same to this one. So it's going to be 2 times minus 2. So what's that? 5x plus 2 times minus 2, which is minus 4. It's going to give us 11. Boom. Now what we're going to do, move that to this side. What's that? 5x is going to give us minus 4. Moves to this side, becomes plus 4. So that's 11 plus 4, which is 15. So x is going to give us, this is 5 times x. Move it to that side. It's going to be divided by 5. And then that's gone. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So what does that mean? It means x is 3. And y is minus 2. And Bob's your uncle. Light work.